Is burnout causing you to be constantly tired, drained, and lacking energy even after getting enough rest? Then listen up. Over the next 5 minutes, I'm going to walk you through the best practice to help you clear this physical and emotional exhaustion, and the reason the most common practice being taught by your therapist won't work. Because you likely don't want another activity to be added to your to-do list that exhausts you. How about I give you the Heal Burnout MP3 that rewires your brain for rejuvenation? And I want to give it to you for free just for watching this video. Drop me a line below, no opt-in required, and you could have more energy, more vitality, and a sense of well-being in the next 2 hours. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Nilofer Safdar and I'm the owner of Energy Wise, where I've helped hundreds of women tackle their burnout naturally and have ease and peace in their life. Over the next 5 minutes, I'm going to walk you through the best practice to help you clear this physical and emotional exhaustion, and the reason the most common practice being taught by your therapist won't work. Now, most of my clients, when they come to me, have been told that they need to exercise. But here's the thing, they're already exhausted, both physically, mentally, and emotionally. They're so tired all the time that they just don't have the energy to exercise. Even the thought of a 20-minute workout tires them out and they cannot do it, even though they keep telling themselves to do it. If you truly want to overcome burnout, here's what you do. Identify the root cause of your burnout. Burnout happens because of two main reasons. Number one, you are doing something that you don't want to do. Number two, you are not doing something that you truly want to do. So how do you uncover this? Do some journaling. Use these prompts. Number one, what am I doing that I hate doing? Or what am I doing that I absolutely don't want to do? Just write down whatever pops in your head. You will find that as you write this down, you might notice heaviness, exhaustion, and almost like a constricted feeling in your body. Number two, what am I not doing that I truly want to do? Again, just write down whatever comes up. Having an awareness about it is half the work done. Next, go into wonder. You can go, how can I stop doing this thing that I hate? I wonder. Or how can I do this thing that I truly want to do? I wonder. Just be in that place of curiosity and wonder. You may not know how it is possible for you to quit the job that you hate, but are doing just so that you can support your family. But if you use the wonder question and how can I stop working at this job and start working at another job that fulfills me? Being in the wonder breaks that loop of negativity where you feel trapped in this situation with no way out. Suddenly, you will start seeing possibilities. Possibilities that were always there, but you couldn't see them. For example, you might hate your job due to your toxic boss, and suddenly your boss might leave and go away. And that is exactly what happened with my client David. He was chronically exhausted. He had a narcissistic boss who wanted to micromanage everything he did. He blamed David for everything that went wrong and took credit for everything that David did well. So this constant criticism, humiliation, and belittlement had eroded his self-esteem and confidence. He was physically, mentally, emotionally exhausted. After just 3 sessions with me, with me, his boss took a long leave of absence for 7 months and then resigned from his job. I also had David do the root cause exercise, and what he didn't want to do was to work under this boss. And he didn't want to leave the job because he really enjoyed his work. When he started doing the wonder questions, he stopped obsessing about his boss. This constant negative chatter in his mind about his boss decreased, and he could actually start seeing his boss in a new light. He also realized that he had not pursued his hobby of photography for a really long time. So he started going on these photography trips on the weekends and started processing his photos in Photoshop every day after work. And this activated all his creative juices and made him feel good about himself. One of the things that really helped him to get to and remove the root cause of burnout is the Heal Burnout MP3. And I want to give it to you for free just for watching this video. Drop me a line below, no opt-in required. It's a 30-minute MP3 that you can play in the background on really low volume or even mute. What it does is that it removes all the root causes of burnout. And my clients go from feeling exhausted to having more energy, more vitality, and a sense of well-being within the next 2 hours after playing this recording 3 or 4 times in a loop. Drop me a line below this video and you could have more energy, more vitality, and a sense of well-being in the next 2 hours.